know mine. Somewhere here you will get it. Yeah, plugins, options, services, measurement. Okay. I'll run and I'll show you because I've changed it to Internet Explorer, but I'm not able to go back there.
Sir,
Okay.
I'll tell you go the means I'll tell you, sir. You change there, sir.
Huh?
There no in tools. You select, sir, tools
Huh?
menu.
Hmm?
In tools menu, sir, or
Menu
options,
is
sir.
not there.
In tools options are there, no, sir. Like browse ID.
Options, huh?
Ah, sir.
Huh?
Sir, can you share your screen, sir? It is like I'm not able
One
to
second,
see.
one second, one second, one second. Can you able to see now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Tools, sir.
Huh?
Options, sir.
Huh?
One second, sir. There. One second, sir. Sir, web browser. Where it is?
Huh? Web browser, where it is?
Yeah, that's what, sir. One second. Ah, sir. Browse it is.
Browser.
No, no, sir. Not that one. Sir, can you keep it to default once? Yeah. Okay, this one. Not this one, sir.
Okay. We'll see this random numbers, program number 6. But here it will work or not, I'll check it out.
So,
Yeah.
so there's one more option, sir. In Windows, you can make it to default. Can you check whether your browser is in default, like Chrome or Firefox, whatever it is? Go to Windows, sir.
Yeah, one second, one second. Anyway, program is running now.
Okay.
But anyway, it is working in BMS. It's not my mail ID. 4SEM MCA in that it is working. Right. But that is a slow, that is the problem here. Yeah. See here some of the file it is opening. That is what this class response.set content type application MS Word. So this program how it will be working is nothing but this one. Response.set content type. See this here only I have entered syntaxes, that's it. Here I have entered only syntax response.set content type application MS Word. So here is response.set content type application. Within the body I have entered it and have closed it this one. So here is the way of working is nothing but this is the one only. So that is what you are able to see here now. So how it is working. Right. So that is what the way of working this one, attendance. So you can close this, you can open anyone, no problem. So once again, I'll run and show you. See here, set that content, sixth program, run this. See, automatically read only it is coming. You can open which one you want. So similarly, you can open for Excel sheet, PPTs, which one you want, you can enter it that one. That is what the set content type MS. So last class we had some problem because other program was the error. That is the reason it was showing the error. So now it is okay. So these were the set content type and see this one. So this one, say response.set content type application MS Word. So any doubt now this? Response.set content type application MS Word. So that is what the this one, and that's what I have run and shown also. So this is what the way of working. Okay, and next see the PPTs one by one. So this is nothing but the if conditions. So striplet examples, if condition, background color. So now background color, I hope have a nice day, good day. Okay, so if conditions I have written this one, so you can see this. Have a nice day and make it refresh. Have a good day. So have a nice day and good day. So now you can move to the program. See here, what I've done is math dot random numbers is less than 0.5. Have a nice day. Otherwise, have a good day. So this is what the way of writing the if conditions. So see here, starting the if condition and closing this if. So what you want to display that one, that is called the within the brackets. So next is else. Else is nothing but this is the if condition close and else open bracket this one. This is what the JSP program way of the code writing. Every line wherever you are writing JSP code, you need to write it. So percentage less than symbol, greater than symbol, less than symbol, percentage, and remaining code end with the percentage less than greater than symbol. So that is what the JSP code you need to write it. This is what the if conditions. One examples have written. So math.random and less than 0.5. The similarly you can practice it the remaining things also. Actually here you need to write the in examination you have to write this code. So somebody is want to admit. Right. So now see here some of the examples PPTs go for here. So what I have told is in examination you need to write this also. So what is that is nothing but code here, go here and come back to the head, and head is nothing but here.
Sir, sir, some of the peoples are waiting to like you should accept, sir.
I've accepted all the people.
No, sir, some of them waiting it seems.
Now you find out. You tell them to join at a time. So you one by one, if it is joining, I can do it. I don't know why today is asking that one.
So you have to click on enable access, sir. It's next to the first time online class, left side down, the shield, the blue color icon, sir. Here, the other side, sir. The blue color icon next to first time online class. Yeah, there. You have to enable click access, enable access. Yeah, quick access.
Okay, so we didn't change that one. How why it is happened? Okay, no problem. Now no problem. No, they can join. Right, sir. See today's class, students listen here. Today class is nothing but just whatever I have told the class, last class examples that I will run and I will show you. The way of accessing one program I will show you. Remaining we have to practice it. You see the textbook and many examples they have given, you can practice it. Just I will tell you how to access the syntaxes, that's all. So now here is background color out. That program also I have typed it, I don't know where it is. Okay, one program only I'll run and I'll show you. So now let us see this one. Next is if condition I have shown you. Next is this explanation over. Next is at page language is equal to java.dd import packages. So import, how to do it is nothing but at page language is equal to java import this one. So this is combinedly have done it, and one by one we'll see it now later here. Page import is equal to java.utility.date. So new date I want to print it. Now let us go for the example here. How to print the date. So now run the program. Today date is Wednesday, April 21. Today date is Wednesday, April 21, and to now timings is 12/8/27 IST times. So are you getting? This is what the one simple example. See here, today date, page import and Java utilities. Now see the syntax now here. So page import this one and the page import. That is what here also you have to concentrate. Page number import is equal to this one. See here is just you how to type it also easy here. Just less than symbol type it, you will get it this one. Just enter it at page. See here. So everything you will get it here. Now import is equal to double quotes. So java dot util dot date. This is what the way of writing, because now see no errors is removed. Errors are removed. So this is what this one. So this is the way of typing the code. So H2 have given today date is. So which way you want you can write it, no problem. Today date is. So that is nothing but the heading have given, and this is nothing but the new date display. So this is what the way of displaying. So here is either you can go for head H1, H2 or sublines or text, which way you want you can go ahead. So here is the syntax is nothing but here. See the syntax. What is the syntax? At page import. So you have the different versions of the way of writing the code. We have seen the expressions previous classes and page import. So how we can import the packages and you can use the what are all the things you are having that. This is what the one.jsp. Now error.messages. So here is at page import page error.display messages, and we can go for you can write the result is 4.0 and you can write the messages. So here you can see the example here. Hold on. Yeah, so I have written program 7.jsp here, hash include. 1 second. So page error page. Include, I'll write it later stage. So error.jsp, I've written some other things here. I'll create one more file now. Error 1, I'll type it. So here is, I'll write just divide by 0. Okay, so divide by 0. Now we'll go for the program. Where is the error message? Date, this one. Right. So here is, we have to write error1.jsp. Okay. Now I've written. So just to see here now what will happen. So here is, the problem is it's taking more time for the writing. Do you want? Yeah. Yes. So I didn't save the program. So I didn't remove the comment lines. Now I've removed the comment lines and we'll run the program now. Here it is taking more time, that is the problem. See, you got it what? Divide by 0. So now see the program here. What I have told you is, I'll come back to the PPT now. So error page here is, what will happen? Page error page is equal to at page. You are downloading some other messages. result is 4/0. If it is working days, I have written the code here in this. So error.jsp. So error.jsp is nothing but here what I have written is nothing but error 1. Where is error 1? This one. So here is error 1 is nothing but divided by 0. I have written it here. Divided by 0. So whatever you are writing the message here, that one will be transferring and you will be getting the information. That is what your program says now. So here is what will happen is divided by 0. See, I have included one more file to display the message here. So at the page error. So that is what the says here at page error page is equal to error.display. So error, whatever you want to write the messages error display, in this you can write it here, and this is nothing but the page at the page error page. You can write it separately and you can display it here. So that is what the here error page error.display. So result is 4 divided by 0. So this is what the way of working. Now, any doubt now this? Any doubt? Hello? Students, you have to say.
No, sir.
Arjun?
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay. So simple example only. So if you want, you can add it these lines. So this body is there now. Within this body, you have to add it the code. So body, whatever it is there, you can include it and you can write it. You can write it. Example, what you will do at page. See content type here, automatically it will create the content at page. Content type is equal to text HTML. This automatically, whenever you are changing here, automatically it will change here also. Okay. This is what the error messages. So just I will show you here. Is it okay? You can tell me. I will send it that one. 1 second. Nah? So last class, whatever I have told, I copied it here. If condition, I have written it here, basic color also. Next is program 5.jsp, page number, math.random number, this I have executed. Import the programs. This is nothing but the JSP page. Today date is this also I have done it. And another example too is nothing but at page number 7, error by 0. So at page error is equal to 70, and this is nothing but content type error page display. So that's what I've written it here. See, error in the program. I've written this here is error in the program. Similar way here also you can write it, no problem. Error 1, error in the program. See, now you can run the program. So you can see the same thing, you will get it. So previously I have written divided by 0. Now I will change it to error in the program. So you got the error in the program, program number 8. So this is what the way of changing at. Okay. So like this I have copied it. Is it okay for you to, you can copy it now, later stages? I'll send it this. Error messages. 4 divided by 0, error display, and error display I have entered it here. See here. Error is nothing but the error in the page. So error page, this is nothing but I have written it. It is called within the body, I have written it, there head, and I have written it. So which way you want, you can write it, no problem. So this is what the way of writing the code. So here I have written within the head. Otherwise you can write it in the form of the, what is that called? Tag also. See here. Anyway, so why to change that? You can practice it, why to make the confusion. So let it be error in the page. So now come back to this. Any doubt now? Changing at one more is error page. Now go back to this. Error in the error page, just I've written the JSP here, error display. Now page extends. Extends.utilities and the same program date is there now. Extends also you can extend this java.utilities. This also we can practice it. I'll practice with that. I've entered there. Next. Now hash include the file 2.jsp. Hash include 2.jsp. So here what will happen? See here how to include that files. So now I'll change it here only. What is the code here? Hash include file dot to this one. So now how to change this? Hash after hash include file. So we'll deleted this. I'll add it. So here is what at include. At include. See, you'll get it automatically. Include. So file also is there. File name. You have to enter the file is equal to. So enter any one file name. So 2.jsp here I've entered. Here enter it anyone. So I'll enter it error.jsp only. Error.jsp. So that is what the code, and this is nothing but the example. If you want, you can write it welcome something. So enter it this and equal to welcome. So this is what the code you have to write it here. Okay, now check it out how to run it. So you have to see the PPTs here. Just one method hash include the file and change the file. Every option is there based on your program. Which one is required, you can add it. So 2.jsp, you have written just 2.jsp program. So error message, I have written something else. So error 1 is nothing but this message will be displayed. Error in the program. Okay. So now come back to this. Now run the program. So whenever you are running, just save the program and run it. Yes, save and run the program now. See here is welcome to JSP program is nothing but this one. Here, welcome to JSP program is current program. Even if you want, I can write it here, current program. Okay, error message is nothing but I'll write it. This is a second program. See now what will happen. Right, now run the program, check it out. See, welcome to JSP program, current program. Here another program is called the second program. So include is example is nothing but this one. So these were the include example. I'll copy it. Error1.jsp is nothing but this one. Error1 is nothing but this one. Just I'll add it. Arjun, Arjun,
Sir.
is it okay? Whatever I'm showing the example, I'm copying here. See, hash include example program. So now this is what this one message, and here error1.display, error1.display. So this is what this one. We can practice at home whenever you are having the time.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Fine.
Yeah, right. See, here is mine is just one example, because textbook they have taken many bigger program example they have taken. Now what I am telling is hash include. Suppose if they ask you to write it the hash include file, different versions how to write it is nothing but just write this syntax and give one example. So this is one example is sufficient. So here is you can write by your own explanation. Here I have entered included the file called error messages. Here you write the comment lines and write it. And this error messages is nothing but this one. So this is called the error message. Error message, whatever you want, you can write the comments. That's it. That nobody will bother for that, and write the syntaxes on this one. Just here is how to include the file. This is what you have to learn it here. Error.jsp. So now in PPT, what I did is nothing but see here, just only 2 lines I have written it. So this welcome, all these things is which way you want, you can write it, no problem. Somebody will write like within the body, somebody will write the header, somebody will write the lines, paragraph, whatever you want to write it, doesn't matter. Even you can write it within the JSP code also. So no need to write out.println, all these things, just directly write it, some expressions, that's it. So this is what the differences between ordinary programs and here. Okay,
Sir,
so
sir,
out.println also can write it.
Sir, Arjun, sir. Sir, can you send these files through mail?
Which files?
This
This
program.
file, that is the reason I made it. No, what I thought is, who is talking?
Arjun, sir.
Arjun. So every day shall I send it or end of the second unit?
Sir, anything is okay, sir.
Every day, if you want, you can practice it, because that is easy for you. No.
Yeah,
So
sir.
why I am showing is this code is the which code you want. I am including, just I am showing. Remaining code automatically you will be getting. I'll show. I'll send it. No problem. You see the PPTs and just have copied it and pasted and executed. That have copied it in the notepad. So all the programs it is there. See here. So one example. Just copy it, paste it, and check it out. So normally don't copy and paste it, you people. Just you type it. Then only you'll be getting easily. You can understand easily. Okay. Okay. So examination, you have to write it entire code. Actually, you supposed to write this also. I'll tell you 1 second. Where is the 8th program? Every program after the head you need to type it this. So this called is called, write it link. This one is equal to rel is equal to style sheet. Style sheet href is equal to JSP hyphen STY style .css files. Here is type is equal to text or CSS. Link is equal to reference is equal to style sheet, href is equal to this file, type is equal to text dot this one. So you have to enter it here. So within the head, you have to enter this. This is what the commonly you have to write it for all the programs in the examination. So link is equal to relents is equal to style sheet. Which type of the style sheet you are using? Reference is equal to href.css files, and type is equal to text.css. But anyway, when you are writing this, that is also okay because text or CSS. But here normally we are using text and HTML, either this or this. Actually, this is the standard format for the JSP files. Even if you are not writing also, it will work, no problem. But this is the what the you have to write it. You are supposed to write it in the examination, or you can write this also. Okay, anyone to be written. See now, even if I am running this also, there is no errors will be there. Right. See, you'll be getting the same. This is what the commonly you need to write it for the JSP code. This is more the extra things we're supposed to write it. Even if you are not writing also, there is no errors in the here, but examination you're supposed to write this. Okay. This is more the one example. Now hash include over. Now one more. So JSP actions. See here JSP forward URL. So URL forward page, and this one I'll tell you now. Same program 8. So hash include is there. Here we have to go for the now forward. JSP colon. See the syntax here as it is. There is no change. Whatever I have written here, that's all. JSP forward page. JSP. Even you can see here JSP colon forward page. JSP forward page is equal to error. Unterminated the JSP tag. Right. See now error gone. So even percent less than symbol, if you put it percentage, you will be getting. So this is what the syntax JSP forward page is equal to error one dot display. See here now, JSP forward URL. So URL is nothing but this sum of the file name what you want to do it. So here is, I will be using the same file name only so that I can execute the programs bit fast. So now see here, run the program now. I'll close 1 second all these things. Close all the tabs and I'll run the program once again. I'll write it, file forward. See now what will happen? So what happened? Error in the program, second program. So directly forwarded to the second file name. Welcome to this. This should come along. File forward program. File forward program. See, it is forwarded directly file forward program. Error in the program. So now when we are running this, suppose I can change some other program also. This I'll copy it, I'll put it into this one. File forward. Error.jsp program. Is what this one. Now I can change some other file also. For example, I'll change program file. What is that program file? Program file. I'll put it. Just example. So see here, prod 5. I'll give it now. What will happen? You can take it out now. See here now. Just I'll change it now. Instead of error 1, I'll change it to program number 5. See, have a nice day, you got it. Now make the refresh, else condition, have a good day, nice day. See, two conditions, if conditions have given, that one will be forwarded. So that is what the file forward here. Okay, forward. So the forward is nothing but what? Forward the action allows the request you to forward it to another JSP servlet or the static resources. The resources to which the request is being forwarded must be in the same content as the JSP displaying the request. Okay, so that is what the program says here. See here. So this, whatever you are writing here, just for our understanding purpose, and JSP forward means directly this file will be executing directly program number 5. You can give any file. So I'll give you the same file only. What will happen? See here. Just for understanding purpose, just to see, have a look. What will happen? Check it out now. File forward program. So what I've written here, welcome file forward program, this one URL. Check it out, what will happen, refresh. I'll close this and I'll rerun it once again. Okay. Because same it is not taking, we'll enter the 7th one. Seventh one I'll take. Today date is Wednesday, this one. That program date will be executed. Any doubt now? File forward. Students, sir, you have to say, then only I can tell you. If you have any problems, you should tell it. Otherwise, it is very difficult. File forward, any doubt? I've shown the example also. This is the one, the file forward JSP. I'm adding and I'm executing the program also. So there is no confusion in this. Just syntax. See here the syntax, how I wrote it here. The same syntax I've copied it here. That's it. Okay. See the syntax here. Within the course, same thing. Nothing changes in this file forward. Okay. Shall I move to next? Shall I move to next one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, last class I've explained this as it is. That I'm executing and I'm showing, that's all. Next. File forward page. This is what I have done it. Forward page is equal to .jsp. I have entered error.jsp. So examples also given here, one in PPT also. I have shown there also. Because you people will get confused, why sir wrote two lines. Two lines is nothing but these 2 lines. Within the body, whatever it is required to execute the program, that much only we have entered there. So here is this one. So create one file and do the file forward method. That's it. Next. Include file and flush the truths. So this is what we have to execute. JSP include the files now. Now how to include the files, we'll see here. Now, so here already I've entered it, include the files, JSP include the files. I'll write it here, include the files. This is nothing but the include. JSP include. Okay, so code you have to write it. I'll execute and I'll show you. So here is what we have done. JSP include page number 2.jsp flush is equal to true, and one more also we have done it, and we'll see here what will happen. See here. So one is nothing but, I'll show you that one what will happen. What is that? One is called the, here is how created the files called the get post methods, that is called the value 1, value 2 text fields. and 2 is nothing but this one. 2 is nothing but the displaying the files. So that is what the files. And now we'll move to the file name is called the error one. So now see here how it will be working now. So clear? The syntax is nothing but these 2 lines only you have to see now here. JSP include one only. You can remember one only. Flush, make it the free. How to make it the flush of the file. So JSP include page is equal to 2.jsp, flush is equal to true. So now see the syntax here. What is the syntax? This one. So hash include file name flush is equal to true. That's all. So example it is here. This one flush is equal to true. 2.html flush is equal to true. This one. So just this is nothing but the message. This example shows how to include the words. That's it. So same thing only we have done it here, and just run the program and we'll see what will happen in this. On the file. Include. So we have to make it this. See, this example shows how to include the works and include your JSP and HTML file with the JSP includes. So text one dot initially it was not there, null, text two dot null, it is nothing is there. So just so text one is this one, text two dot this one. So these were the files, and you can go back. This is what that one. So that is what the making the file is called the this one is called the what is this? Include the page numbers. Include the page numbers. I hope you didn't remember my timings also. Already time up. So remaining examples we'll see the next class. Hash includes. So is it okay for you to understand? If you have any doubts, please let me know this. Then only I can tell you the. .jsp and here is 2.jsp is nothing but right. Now, any doubt? Today's class, let me know. I'll tell you. Whatever I have told the syntaxes that I have executed and I have shown you the with output how it will be working. Any doubts? Arjun?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, you have to practice, that's all. I'll send it today, this one, and practice it and let me know how it will be. If you have any doubts, let me know in the next class. Right. So today's I'll give you one question, practice it that one. give one example program for URL. Is what your today's class example. I'll take the attendance. So this program you have to practice it. Okay. So today's class example is this one, and you have to practice this program. And I'll take the attendance. Lab programs. Today you have lab, no? I'll be starting at 150 because I'm having examination today. I'll go and come back there. So instead of 145, I'll be starting at 150. You wait. Suppose even 1 or 2 minutes delay, also no problem. I'll come and take before 2 o'clock. But 150, you be ready. Attendance I can take that time only, no? Students, I'll take attendance afternoon only. So these programs you have to do it. This file I will send it today itself for your reference. Okay. So my sincere request is either request or demand, whatever it will be. Every day, please practice your programs. Whatever I'm doing here, you have to practice. Then only you can learn something. So if you are keeping quiet, if you are not practicing, it will be difficult for you later stages. So nobody will be there to monitor you. So you have to take care of yourself. That's it. Right.